everyone. Welcome to the grand finale of the Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off. It's been a long road to get here, from the first round of online entries where we received almost 150 entries, to the deliberation by our panel of expert judges to select 9 finalists, followed by the team grouping through random selection. Now, we're here at the finale where 3 teams will be battling it out for the grand prize and, of course, the title of Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off Winners 2021. Are you excited? Because I definitely am. My name is Deyemi Okolawon and I am your host for today. So, let's get right to it. Guys, now it's time for us to meet our lucky finalists. And here we have Team White. We have Itim, Funke, and Noreen.
Hi guys, good day everyone. Okay, so we are Team White. Yes, and we are ready for the 2.5 million naira. Yes, okay, so how do we feel? I think we feel great, but at the same time we're nervous. Of course, it's a competition, so you don't expect us to but then we are very, very confident of ourselves.
In Team Blue, we have Praise, Anita, and Machi.
Hello, we are Team Blue and today is the Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off Grand Finale and we're super excited. Definitely not nervous at all and we got this. We can't wait to show the judges what we've got, so yay!
In our third team, Team Red, we have Vanessa, Jude, and Mercy.
Hello, so this is Team Red and we're very excited this morning. In fact, we have so much we've planned, so much we've worked behind the scene that we're looking forward to actually displaying our work.
Now it's time to meet our panel of judges. First is the beautiful and extremely creative Barbara Ndubu of Oven Secrets. The woman popularly known as the Queen of Ibadan Bakers, Aderunke Oloyede of Ronix Cakes. The master of all things baking, sugarcraft, social media, and everything in between, Tarella Okene of Dripples Cakes. The multi-talented Amazon, popularly known as Lady Dainty, Lolade Ogunjimi of Dainty Affairs. The queen of larger-than-life edible art creations, Olaide Owade of Cakes by LA. The pastry chef of love and incredible food photographer, Chef Cupid. And last but definitely not the least, the veteran Chineze Ibuoka of Honeysuckle Cakes, who will be joining us virtually from the US. Hello everyone. Hello judges. How are you today? Feeling good? We ready? Okay, so who's going to be our Simon for today? Well, there you have it, guys. You've met our team of finalists. You've met our amazing panel of judges. And now it's time for us to get right into the baking action when we come back after the break. Welcome back, guys, to the grand finale of the Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off. Now, to win the title, our teams will be required to complete 2 tasks designed to test their baking skills, creativity in sugarcraft, and of course, their ability to work under pressure. Task 1. You will be creating a dessert that must contain Baker's Choice cocoa powder, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, and of course, our beloved icing sugar. This dessert will be paired with ice cream from Cormel. Please note that your dessert can include other ingredients, but must include the Baker's Choice products previously mentioned. Finalists, the time allocated for task 1 is 2 hours. This task will account for 35% of the total score. Your time starts now.
So what I'm looking forward to today is a lot of excitement, a lot of creativity, a lot of teamwork.
So
So we want to see what they can do with the precisions that was given to them.
From the contestants, I'm looking forward to good time management, creativity, teamwork.
Yes, and I'm expecting something that will blow my mind, and I'm very sure I'm going to get it.
I'm looking forward to a neat job, a good finishing, and I can't really wait to taste their dessert.
Okay, so Team Blue, how are you guys doing?
We're fine, we're good.
You guys look like you have everything in order. What are we making here today?
We're making a Bailey's infused waffle. We have chocolate sauce, we have strawberries,
Okay.
blueberries, more chocolate. I love more chocolate. Yeah.
Do I see white chocolate somewhere?
Yeah, you see white chocolate
Oh,
somewhere.
nice, nice. Remember, guys, you are going to be tested for taste, texture, complexity, presentation. You're also going to be tested for your timeliness and teamwork, okay? So your judges are looking at you guys. Give them the best, all right? All right, guys, all the best. You have 1 hour left.
I love fairy tales. Fairy tale wedding cakes are my specialty, and I am looking forward to such impressive creation.
So judges, we have barely 15 minutes left to the end of task 1. I'm sure we all have our thoughts. We all kind of know who we're leaning towards. Without telling us who your team preference would be for this round, can you just share some of the thoughts about, the participants, the group that we have? Chef Cupid.
All right, so for me personally, I think they're all doing well, but some people are taking the easy route, like the simple routes, which I'm kind of concerned about.
Okay, great. So in terms of the complexity, because that's one of the things that we're looking at for the complexity.
Complexity, and
Interesting.
so far, I've seen just one team attempting that.
Interesting.
Yeah, so
Interesting.
There's tension already in the house, and I can see that one team is doing so well, so great. They're working together, so there's this teamwork, and they're coming out really strong. They have something really complex from the name and from the presentation. You can see what's going on here. While some other team, a particular table, like they don't know what they're actually here for. Looks like they were not prepared. You should have tried these things out to see if it will work. You don't know the quantity of what should be into a particular size. Well, 2.5 million is not a joke. So if you're coming for it, you should be prepared.
You should be prepared. Yeah. I can tell that you are the Simon. And I like how you refer to this place as the house. And I'm the big brother. Thank you very much. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finalists, hands off. All right, guys, well done. That was intense, and all I had to do was watch. Now our judges will be inspecting each team's masterpiece, starting with Team Blue. So Team Blue, is there anything you want to tell us about your presentation today?
Okay, here we have what we call our messy indulgence. We have a Bailey's infused waffle, It is topped with caramel ice cream. You have chocolate fudge sauce. We have Bailey shots in infusers, and then we have strawberries and blueberries.
Fantastic. Judges? You say the taste of the pudding is in the eating, right? I can already see connection between the fork, the tongue, the taste buds, and the brain, the machinery. So judges, we would like to have some feedback.
I'll say something. I love the fact that there's ice cream in here. Okay, it's melting very nicely. But the presentation is not it. Okay, it's just too scattered for my liking. I should see a nice shape of waffles. Is it triangular or it's properly shaped? Okay, it's not nicely filled. It's not full. Okay, I mean full is I'm not getting the shape of the waffles. Okay. For taste, it's good. The fruits are dry, they were not glazed. I don't know, but for taste, it's fine.
Okay, so there you have it. Team Blue. It's been said that your dessert tastes really good. Presentation could do a little bit more work. And when it comes to complexity, yeah, maybe we could have done more. But let's see what happens at the end of this task. Thank you very much.
Hi, it's Team Blue again, and we just finished task 1. It was very interesting. We made a messy waffle, and what we intended to do is what we did, but it didn't really sit well with the judges in our presentation, but our taste was on point. So we hope to do better in the next task.
I think we should also have an ultimate competition for which judge is the strictest, because Chef Cupid has just shown his fangs today. Up next, we have Team White. Team White? Dorime, Dorime. Thank you very much, Team White. So here we have this lovely dessert presentation by Team White. Team White, do you want to tell us what we have here?
Okay, so we have, we call this chocolate ball experience. We're just trying to play around with chocolates, just to be creative a little bit. Actually, because of time, we actually melted a chocolate in order to pour on the cone. So that's like the experience. And then it melts and then it opens. But then because of time, so.
Okay. I see the judges are deftly manipulating this experience.
Well done, Team White.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done. I'm a huge fan of flavor and texture. I love when you go from smooth to crunchy to soft to tart. It's not just a sweet dessert, it's a very complex dessert. I love your presentation.
Thank you.
Your chocolate cake is very moist.
Thank you.
And I love how the what's it called now? The whipped cream is not over whipped and looking like it's all torn. It's creamy, and I love the ganache that is on top of it. Just a perfect dessert.
Thank you so much.
I love the fact that everything on each plate is different, the variety. So what I have is different from what she has, and it's different from what Cupid, Dainty, and everyone has. The taste is amazing. The chocolate cake is really moist. The plating is amazing as well. It's just beautiful. I think they did well.
Okay, so I'm hearing a lot of amazing, very well. Let's hope that that is enough to help you guys win this task 1. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi. Yeah, about our performance, it was great, and we were a bit nervous, but we came through. And about our judges, they gave us a good remark.
So judges, we have seen presentations by Team Blue and Team White. And now it's time for Team Red.
Thank you very much.
You know, for one of the other teams, I did the Dorime Club song. I feel like doing a Naira Marley type soundtrack for you guys. I don't know why it is. You guys look like the Malians of the cake industry. Okay, Team Red, can you tell us a bit about your dessert today?
Okay, so here we have a double layered chocolate cake with caramel and whipped cream filling. And there's a scoop of caramel ice cream at the top, and then there is a chocolate seal on top.
Chocolate seal?
Yes, so we're trying to go a monochrome look, just black and white.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
and we try to make it as simple as possible.
Okay, simple. Well, let's see what the judges have to say. Once again, Chef Cupid wielding his fork like a cutlass. Ronix is treating this as a scientific project, as you can see. Judges, can we have some kind of feedback?
Yeah, well done. Yeah, I think it's simple. I love the crunchy, the grated chocolate on the plate, and I like the simple presentation also. Well, there's something I'm tasting inside. I think it's maybe the flavor. I don't know. It's overwhelming kind of, but in all, it has a good taste.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so personally I'm impressed that you guys went with cake. I mean, that took a little bit of time to make. However, the texture can be like a bit more moist. Generally, when you have it with the ice cream, it's a good experience. And I can totally relate with the tuxedo theme that you guys have, the white and the black concept going on. I enjoyed it.
Thank you so much.
Chef Cupid, you want to say something?
Okay, so well done, everybody. What I have to say is, for me, it's just too chocolatey. Yeah, there's chocolate cake, there's a chocolate seal, there's a chocolate swirl, there's a grated chocolate. It's just too chocolatey. Yeah, so I think it's just a bit overwhelming for the chocolate. And again, the texture of your cake, I had a bit of problem with it also. It's just a bit dense, yeah, for me. Thank you.
Interesting feedback. So I'm hearing, that the judges appreciate some elements of your desserts. It's tasty. I think the style that you went for, the monochrome style you're talking about, one of the judges, referred to it as a black tie or tuxedo style, which is pretty interesting. But all in all, it seems you guys have great feedback. So congratulations, well done.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
That's been an amazing moment, and it was stressful, honestly. Like what we had in mind was a different thing and what was on the table, but overall we thank God that for me, I think it was just a God factor, because what we brought to the table, what we served, was a different thing from what we had in mind, but we still had a good comment, so I want to thank God for that.
So now the judges have seen the presentation from each of the three teams, Team White, Team Red, and Team Blue. We're right now collecting the results, which will be announced at the end of the show. But wait a minute, guys. We have to go on a break, and we'll be right back. Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake-Off. For the first task, our teams have presented their amazing desserts to the judges. Now, they have one final chance to impress our judges. As previously mentioned, for the second task, our teams will be creating a fairy tale themed wedding cake using Baker's Choice icing sugar and or Baker's Choice fondant. This task will account for 65% of their total score, so the pressure is definitely on. Teams, for this task, you'll be judged on the interpretation of the theme, presentation, creativity, neatness, teamwork, and timeliness. Again, the time allocated for this is 3.5 hours, and this task accounts for 65% of the total score. Let's have our 3.5 hours. So teams, are you ready? Let's have 3.5 hours on the clock. Your time starts now. Finalists, you have exactly 10 minutes on the clock. Finalists, we now have 60 seconds on the clock. Finalists, hands off. Now, I can see the looks of anxiety, trepidation in the faces of all our finalists. You guys have done a phenomenal job. I think you should clap for yourselves. And now for the moment of truth. Our expert panel of judges will be coming over to inspect each one of these masterpieces. Judges, please come. Thank you very much, judges. Now, guys, as you can see, our judges have reviewed all of these amazing cakes, and we'll be announcing the winners right after this break. Welcome back, guys, to the final segment of the Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off 2021. We have followed our finalists throughout the entire day, and they've created delicious looking desserts that have been reviewed by our judges. In the second task, they were asked to create a fairy tale themed wedding cake, which they have also done, and our judges have reviewed. And now it's time to find out who goes home with what amount of money. But first, we are going to talk to our judges to find out what their performances were like in each of these tasks. Judges.
Judging according to the parameters for task 1 is taste, texture, presentation, complexity, teamwork, and timeliness. We have third position as Team Blue. And then we have the second position as Team Red. And the first position as Team White.
Can I just say this, that you are all winners. We've thoroughly enjoyed watching you all in this competition, seeing you literally transform nothing into something. I think that's impeccable. And seeing you guys being on your feet for such long hours without any, rest. You guys are all winners in our opinion. Okay, so I will be judging from task 2 now. And the parameters we'll be using are interpretation of theme, presentation, how creative were you, your neatness, teamwork, and timeliness. Coming up in the 3rd position, we have Team White. The 2nd position goes to Team Blue. And the first position, beg your pardon, the first position goes to Team Red.
So we've heard from the judges. We've heard the winners of each task, task 1 and 2. We know that Team White won task 1 and task 2 was won by Team Red. And I have here in my pocket all the numbers that were collated. I have the total to find out who is in 1st, who is in 2nd, and what team is in the 3rd position. I should also inform you that nobody goes home without something. We have gifts from Baker's Choice and from all of our partners to each one of you. And also, we have designed a special mentorship program for all the finalists by our panel of expert judges and a few other of our partners. So please give yourselves a warm round of applause. And now for the moment of truth. In 3rd position, you see, we have Team Red, we have Team Blue, and Team White. One of them has to be 3rd, right? One of them has to be 3rd. Ladies and gentlemen, in 3rd position, going home with 500,000 Naira, giving us a very, very wonderful experience today with their desserts and their beautiful wedding cake. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause to Team Blue. Thank you very much, guys. Congratulations, Team Blue. You guys have done a wonderful job today. We have 2 remaining teams, Team White and Team Blue. And over here, I have the numbers that tell us who came in 1st and who's going home in 2nd position. The difference, literally, is 2 points. 2 points. And that difference is 1.5 million Naira. In 2nd position, going home with 1 million Naira. Team Blue cannot be the team because they've already been, placed in 3rd position. We know it can't be them. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to give a warm round of applause to the team that comes 2nd in the 2021 Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off. Having made a beautiful fairy-themed wedding cake and very delicious desserts. We're just 2 points away from coming 1st and going home with 2.5 million Naira. This team will go home with 1 million Naira. Please, a round of applause to... We'll announce the winners after this break. Welcome back to the 2021 edition of the Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off. We announced in third position Team Blue, who gave us a really great experience with each task as they gave us a delicious tasting dessert and a very beautiful fairy-themed wedding cake. Now we're about to announce which one of these teams, Team White and Team Red, will be going home with the first position and the prize attached, or the second position and the 1 million naira prize attached. Ladies and gentlemen, with a total of 69.9 points and coming second in the 2021 Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off competition, give it up for Team White! Ladies and gentlemen, finalists and judges, I present to you in first position with a total of 71.8 points, the winners of the 2021 Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off, Team Red! Congratulations, guys. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations, Team Blue. Congratulations, Team White. Congratulations, Team Red. Ladies and gentlemen, with me here are directors from Graysco, makers of Baker's Choice products. Mr. Tunde Kalajaye and Mr. Tunji Kalajaye. May we have the check, please? To be presented to the team that comes in third position. Team Blue. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a check for 1 million naira going to the team in second position, Team White. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the 2021 Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off, first position, goes home with a sum of 2.5 million naira. Ladies and gentlemen, a resounding round of applause for Team Red! Congratulations, guys. Guys, each of our finalists would also be going home with gifts from our partners, Taruma Margarine and First Blends. And so we have finally come to the end of the Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off for the year 2021. We would like to say a big thank you to Baker's Choice Nigeria for this amazing initiative. To our supporters, Taruna Margarine, First Blends Nigeria, and Just Foods West Africa, we appreciate you. We would also like to say a big thank you to our amazing judges who took time out of their hectic schedules to be a part of this campaign. And to our finalists, thank you for trusting us and taking the leap of faith to be part of the first ever Baker's Choice Ultimate Bake Off. To all those who submitted entries online, we appreciate you as well. You may not have made it this year, but keep working hard and perfecting your craft. And who knows, you just might be here next year. To all our viewers, our fans, our supporters, our social media audience that have followed us throughout this journey, we'd like to say a big, big thank you. Your support has meant the world to us. Thank you all so much. Personally, I'd like to say a big thank you to Baker's Choice brand for trusting me to be your host. It's been an absolute pleasure. On behalf of Baker's Choice Nigeria, See you soon.